Almost 90% of castor oil consists of a highly unique compound known as ricinoleic acid. To grasp why this matters, you must visualize the structure of this molecule. Ricinoleic acid is an unsaturated omega-9 fatty acid. It features a chain of 18 carbon atoms. However, it is what happens at the 12th carbon atom that unlocks its miraculous healing potential. Attached to this specific 12th carbon is a hydroxyl group, an oxygen and a hydrogen atom bound together. This singular, seemingly microscopic addition changes everything. It makes the molecule highly polar, meaning it carries a distinct electrical charge. It is this specific electrical charge, this hydroxyl group on the 12th carbon, that allows ricinoleic acid to perform biological functions that standard carrier oils, like coconut or olive oil, simply cannot achieve. When you apply this electrically charged oil to the surface of your body, an incredibly complex, step-by-step biological sequence is initiated. Step 1 is epidermal penetration. The human skin is designed to be an impermeable barrier, keeping the outside world out. The outermost layer, the stratum corneum, repels most water and many large lipid molecules. However, the unique polarity and low molecular weight of ricinoleic acid allow it to bypass this barrier. It slips between the tightly packed cells of the epidermis, journeying deep down into the dermis. Step 2 is capillary diffusion. Once inside the dermal matrix, the ricinoleic acid does not immediately rush into the bloodstream. Instead, it demonstrates a profound affinity for the lymphatic capillaries. These are the microscopic, blind-ended tubes that weave through your tissues, absorbing cellular waste, dead proteins, and excess fluid. The polar nature of the oil acts almost like a magnetic draw, stimulating the smooth muscle cells that line these fragile lymphatic vessels to begin pulsing. This brings us to the core engine of the body's immune system, the lymphatic network. Unlike your circulatory system, which relies on the powerful pumping action of the heart to push blood through miles of veins and arteries, the lymphatic system has no central pump. It relies entirely on muscular contraction, deep diaphragmatic breathing, and mechanical stimulation to move fluid. When you are sedentary, stressed, or toxic, this system stagnates. The fluid thickens, cellular sewage backs up. This stagnation is the biological breeding ground for chronic inflammation, autoimmune conditions, and systemic fatigue. Here is where the advanced biochemistry of Edgar Cayce's protocol becomes awe-inspiring. Step 3 of the biological sequence is systemic lymphatic activation. When the ricinoleic acid absorbs into the lymphatic capillaries of the abdomen,